This video will show you how to access the Compliance Review portal and complete the Compliance Review questionnaire. You will have received an email from RevenueWA asking you to complete a questionnaire. Click on the link in the email to access the Online Services portal. On the home page, click on the Compliance Review button. You will be prompted to enter your reference number and client name to log into the system. It is best to copy and paste these details from the original email you received from RevenueWA. If you already have an online account, you can log in by selecting Click here in the pop-up box. If this is your first time using the Online Services portal, you will need to create your RevenueWA online account now. Select Yes to continue. Enter your details, including first name, family name, and your email address. Select Next and you will receive an email to complete the registration process. Select Continue on the registration email to create and confirm your password and contact details. Please complete your account and contact details, then select Register. Ensure you are logged in by checking if your name is displayed in the top right corner. Next, you will need to complete the Authority to Act section. Once you have done this, select Continue. This will take you to the online questionnaire, which you will need to complete. The questionnaires content will be tailored to the information we require from you. We may contact you if we need further information. Once you have entered the required information from the questionnaire, select Submit. An electronic declaration will pop up. Read and select I accept. If you have completed and submitted the questionnaire correctly, this is the screen you should see. You can download your questionnaire receipt here. Select OK to return to the home page. You can find any of your unfinished requests by clicking on the suitcase symbol on the top right corner of the portal. Your notifications are found under the bell symbol next to that. You can use many services on the Online Services portal, including duties, land tax, and grants and subsidies services. For help, select Contact Us at the top of the portal page or fill out a web inquiry form at wa.gov.au.